Today is 11th lecture of physics class 10th, and we will discuss today about linear magnification and for spherical mirrors and sign convention for spherical mirrors. So what is linear magnification? As we know that from magnification it is derived from word magnify, and magnify means to enlarge the size of any object or to size of anything. Means here linear magnification can be defined as the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Means linear magnification here, linear magnification can be defined as the ratio of image of height to the ratio of image of object, and it is denoted by a small m. Small m here, small m is equal to h2 upon h1 or h dash upon h, where small m is for linear magnification and h2 or h dash height or size of image, and here h1 or h is height of or size of object. So from this we can define as linear magnification the ratio of height of image to the height of object. Also m is equal to minus v upon u. Means here v is final velocity and u is initial velocity. By combining these two, we have m equals minus v upon u is equal to h2 upon h1. Is the linear magnification for spherical mirrors. This negative sign shows the real and inverted image for the mirrors. Also here in a sign convention we will talk about why here is minus or negative sign. Means the sign of u, v, f, c are. Now we will discuss about sign convention for spherical mirrors. So here sign convention for spherical mirrors. Sign convention is important to solve the numericals of the spherical mirrors, and this sign convention is just like as the Cartesian plane. As you have studied or learned in Cartesian plane, there are 4 quadrants: first, second, third and fourth. Here from origin O, when we go right side, then we take sign as positive, and when we go left side, then we take here sign negative, and when we go straight or upward, then this sign is positive upward, and when we go downward here we take sign as negative. This is the Cartesian plane, and sign convention in Cartesian plane which you read in mathematics. Here we have sign convention for spherical mirrors. Then in just like as Cartesian planes, we first of all at y-axis we put a mirror. Here we have put a concave mirror. Now for x-axis we have the parallel principal axis here, and here we took the direction. It is the direction of incidence ray. Direction of incident ray means when we put any object in this area, as because here it is your focus, here center of curvature C, so object will be put here, so light will enter in this face. Or concave mirror, this portion is reflective face, so light will enter from here, so this is the direction of incident ray. Here when we go right, so here when we go right side from this, means right from pole, we take here sign as positive, and when we go from pole in left side or left of or opposite to the direction of incident ray, in left side we took here sign as negative. Also from on the principal axis, when we go upward we took sign positive, as here axis upward we have taken positive y-axis, so here we take sign of positive, and when we go downward we take a sign as negative. In this face also in this face, in both this face. So when we draw a ray diagram, here the upward we get h2 or h dash, means height of image is always positive, and here this is downward, sorry, here height of object. First of all we put height of object, means here h1 or h, and we get the image here as h2 or h dash, because in concave mirror we get real and inverted image. When this image is also erect, then we take positive here also, and we place here u, so always u is we put object in left direction, so here u is negative, and according to ray diagram we get sign of V, means sign of V is not fixed. When we get the image in here in this phase, we have V as positive, but in one condition, when we put object between P and F, we get also here as negative sign of V also. And these are the sign convention for spherical mirrors. Now we have to discuss about mirror formula. What is mirror formula? Mirror formula here is for spherical mirror is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. This is mirror formula for spherical mirrors, where F is focal length of spherical mirror, V is image distance from pole and u is object's distance from pole. For concave mirror, f is negative as focus is here, and for convex mirror it will be positive as focus will be in this face. So here for concave mirror f is positive, and for convex mirror f is negative, means focal length is negative for convex mirror and positive for concave mirror. So these are the sign conventions and mirror formula for spherical mirrors. In next session or in next lecture we will solve the numericals based on mirror formula. So today, thank you for class.